All right, let's talk about Nandha College of Technology, located in Erode. If you're getting your list ready for the 2026 engineering admissions, this is one you'll want to know about. And right off the bat, the most important number to jot down for your TNEA application is their code, 2752. So what's the very first thing that jumps out? The college has a NAC A+ grade. Now that's not just a letter grade, it's a huge stamp of quality on their academics. And here's the best part, it's valid all the way through 2029. So if you join in 2026, you're covered for your entire 4-year journey. That's some real peace of mind. So, here's our game plan. We'll start with the college's credentials and how it all began. Then, we'll get into the engineering programs and the faculty. After that, we'll check out the campus life, hostels and transport. And finally, we'll hit the big topics, research, placements, and all the financial support available. Let's dive in. Okay, first up, let's lay the groundwork. Understanding a college's history and its official credentials, well, that's absolutely key to building trust and making a smart choice. The college got its start back in 2008, founded by the Sri Nandha Educational Trust. And their mission was pretty clear and honestly quite admirable. They wanted to bring top-tier higher education within reach of students from rural areas.
Let's get into the nitty-gritty. This is a self-financing, co-educational institution. It's affiliated with the big one, Anna University Chennai, so you know the curriculum is solid. A really important point for admissions, 65% of its seats are filled through the TNEA government quota. And yes, it has that crucial AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year.
Now, beyond the overall college grade, what about individual departments? This is where the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, comes in. For computer science and engineering, it's great news. The program is NBA accredited all the way until June 2027.
And that seal of quality doesn't stop there. The Electronics and Communications Engineering Department? Yep, same story. It also holds NBA accreditation right through June 2027. You're probably sensing a pattern here, and it's a good one. Electrical and Electronics Engineering also carries that NBA stamp of approval, again, valid until June 2027. And to round things out, the Information Technology branch is also NBA accredited, with its validity running until June 2026. Seeing this kind of consistency across so many core engineering branches really speaks volumes about the standards they're maintaining here. Okay, so we've established that the foundation is strong. Now for the exciting part. What can you actually study and who will you be learning from? Let's check out the programs and faculty. Through TNEA, the college has 5 undergraduate engineering programs on offer. The biggest ones are computer science and IT, each with 120 seats. Following them, you have AI and data science, ECE, and EEE, each offering 60 seats. So that brings the total intake to 420 students. Now, for anyone looking at the absolute cutting edge of technology, listen up. The college now offers a B.Tech in artificial intelligence and data science. This is a massive deal for the 2026 admissions cycle, and it shows the college is serious about keeping pace with what the industry demands right now. So, who's actually at the front of the classroom? Well, the college has a team of 82 permanent faculty members. Out of that group, 12 have earned their PhDs, which gives you a strong core of deep academic and research expertise. All right, let's switch gears from academics to the day-to-day student experience. What's the campus like? What are the living arrangements? And maybe most importantly, how do you get there? The campus itself is spread across just over 10 acres. This gives you a good sense of the space. Plenty of room for your studies and other activities without feeling overwhelming. Now for the practical stuff that really matters. Yes, they provide separate hostels for boys and girls. The mess offers both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options, so everyone's covered. What's really impressive, though, is their transport network. The buses cover a huge 85-kilometer radius, connecting key towns like Erode, Tirupur, and Gobi. And for anyone traveling by train, Erode Junction is just a convenient 12 kilometers away. You know, a great engineering college doesn't just teach what's already known. It helps create what's next. So let's see how Nandha is focusing on building for the future through its research and innovation efforts.
And the numbers here definitely tell a story. The faculty has secured over 21 lakh rupees in research grants. But here's what really stands out to me, the patent activity. They have 4 patents that have been officially granted, with another 21 already filed and published. This shows a real tangible commitment to creating new things.
And now we get to the questions that are on every single student's and parent's mind, placements and financial aid.
This is all about the return on your educational investment.
And the news here is very, very positive. Just look at this clear upward trend. The placement percentage has been growing steadily, year on year, from 77% in 2021 to 83% in 2022, and then up to 87% in 2023. This kind of consistent growth is exactly what you want to see.
And that positive trend continues. For the most recent graduating class of 2024, the placement rate hit 88%. That single number is a powerful indicator of how well this college prepares its students for their future careers.
On the financial side of things, a lot of support is available. Students can get help through state government scholarships for categories like SC/ST, BC/MBC, and First Graduate, as well as central government scholarships. The college even offers its own concessions for sports achievements and for the children of staff. But here's the real kicker. An impressive 94.17% of students here have received some form of financial support. That makes a huge difference in making education accessible.
Just as a final note, all the information we've presented here is based on data sourced directly from the college's official website and trusted government portals, and it was all current at the time we put this together.
So, that's the detailed look at Nandha College of Technology. To continue your research and compare even more engineering colleges, you can explore everything at profsam.com. It's your true source for making these big decisions, right from 12th standard all the way to your engineering career.